Hey, what's up, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers? Got another haul from the Dollar Tree today. Figured I'd show it to you. Let's check it out. First up, we got a 55 Chevy. 55 Chevy Bel Air, black with some gold and silver. Looks pretty sharp, don't you think? From the Rod Squad. I think it's a sharp looking car. Got a Mazda MX-5 Miata. Ain't bad looking. It's a new for 2025. Got a 70 Chevy Camaro RS. It's pretty sharp. Look at it. HW 70s versus 90s. It's pretty cool. Then I got a DMC DeLorean. There's a hot pink on this thing. HW art cars. It's a little bit different what they usually are. And picked up another one of those 55 Chevys. Got a Porsche 911 GT3. Ain't bad looking. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And I couldn't help but to pick up another one of them Chevy Camaros. And we got a Cupra E-Racer. Never how another you pronounce that. I guess it's supposed to be a Supra. HWEV. It's a new for 2025. And we got a Mazda MX-5 Miata, another one I picked up. New for 2025. 80 El Camino. It's pretty sharp. You got some dirt in there on the top. It's pretty cool. HW Hot Trucks. And a HW50 Concept. Or whatever they're supposed to be, I don't know. It's from the Rod Squad. And I got another 80 El Camino. And then last, I can get it out. Got the AS69 Corvette Racer. Valentine's Day, which is coming up soon. The Corvette. And also picked up this 5-pack of Night Burners. see what we got. Got an 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth, Nissan Maxima drift car, 20 Toyota GR Supra, Dima Chini Veloci or whatever, and a Subaru WRX STI. And that's what we got. It's not bad. But anyway, there you have it. Check out my other videos at 164 scale recipes. Please like and subscribe, and talk to you later. See ya.